My experience in drinking alkaline water and its benefits. Hello guys, welcome to another take on everyday lifestyle and health topics on BCG. Here with tips, hacks, and secrets to a healthy everyday take on your health. Today's topic is all about alkaline water. Are you adding this to your daily routine? If not, listen to this till the end and see reasons why you should be consuming alkaline water daily. Alkaline water contains alkaline minerals. It is also less acidic than regular drinking water and has a higher pH. Proponents, it's believed to have benefits such as improving your stool and supporting your immune system, but the research is limited. What is alkaline water? You may have heard various health claims about alkaline water. Some say it can help lower the aging process, regulate your body's pH level, and prevent chronic diseases like cancer. But what exactly is alkaline water and why all this? The alkaline in alkaline water refers to its pH level. A pH level is a number that measures how acidic or alkaline a substance is on a scale of 0 to 14. For example, something with a pH of 1 would be very acidic and something with a pH of 13 would be very alkaline. Alkaline water vs regular water. Alkaline water has a higher pH level than regular drinking water. Because of this, some advocates of alkaline water believe it can neutralize the acid in your body. Normal drinking water generally has a neutral pH of 7. Alkaline water typically has a pH of 8 or 9. However, pH alone isn't enough to impart substantial alkalinity to water. Alkaline water must also contain alkaline minerals and negative oxidation reduction potential (ORP). ORP is the ability of water to act as a pro or antioxidant. The more negative the ORP value, the more antioxidizing it is. Does alkaline water really work? Alkaline water is somewhat controversial. Many health professionals say there isn't enough research to support the many health claims made by users and sellers. Differences in research findings may be related to the types of alkaline water studies. There are a few studies that suggest alkaline water might be helpful for certain conditions like acid reflux. However, more human studies are needed to explore these findings. I found that drinking naturally carbonated artesian well alkaline water with a pH of 8.8 may help deactivate pepsin, the main enzyme that causes it. That suggested that drinking alkaline electrolyzed water slightly improved stool in 60 participants. That included 100 people found a significant difference in whole blood viscosity after consuming high pH water compared to regular water after a strenuous workout. Viscosity is the direct measurement of how efficiently blood flows through the vessels. Those who consumed high pH water had reduced viscosity by 16.3% compared to 3.36% with standard purified drinking water. This means blood flowed more efficiently with alkaline water. This can also increase oxygen delivery throughout the body. However, more research is needed beyond these small studies. In particular, research studies are needed to answer other claims made by alkaline water supporters. Despite the lack of proven scientific research, proponents of alkaline water still believe in its proposed health benefits, including pro-aging properties via liquid antioxidants that absorb more quickly into the human body, colon cleansing properties, immune system support, hydration, skin health, and other detoxifying properties like weight loss, cancer resistance. They also argue that soft drinks, which are notoriously acidic, have very positive ORPs which lead to many health problems, while properly ionized and alkalized waters have highly negative ORPs. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and has a slightly negative ORP. Does alkaline water have side effects? Drinking alkaline water is considered safe. Currently, there is no evidence that demonstrates negative side effects. Although alkaline water has different pH than regular water, your body will make physiological changes like continuing to produce hydrochloric acid to regulate the stomach's pH level and achieve homeostasis, which is a state of stability, natural or artificial. Water that's naturally alkaline occurs when water passes over rocks like springs and picks up minerals, which increases its alkaline level. However, many people who drink alkaline water buy alkaline water that's been through a chemical process called electrolysis. This technique uses a product called an ionizer to raise the pH of regular water. Makers of ionizers say that electricity is used to separate molecules in the water that are more acidic or more alkaline. The acidic water is then funneled out. Still, some doctors and researchers say these claims aren't backed by quality research. The water quality of the original source before ionization is crucial to ensuring contaminants aren't present in the drinking water. Some scientists advise using reverse osmosis to adequately purify water before connecting an alkaline ionizer, which can raise pH and add minerals. Cautions against drinking water with low mineral content, which is created by reverse osmosis, distillation, and other methods with that additional mineralization on a regular basis. Where to get alkaline water? Alkaline water can be bought in many grocery or health food stores. It can also be found online. Water ionizers are sold in many large chain stores as well. You can also make your own at home. Adding pH drops or baking soda is another way to make water more alkaline. If water is properly filtered to remove contaminants, ionized and remineralized, or purchased from a quality source, there is no evidence to suggest a limitation on how much alkaline water can be consumed daily. Is alkaline water safe? The issue that many health professionals have with alkaline water isn't its safety, but rather the health claims that are made about it. There isn't enough scientific evidence to support the use of alkaline water as a treatment of any health condition. Medical experts warn against believing all the marketing claims. Drinking natural alkaline water is generally considered safe since it contains natural minerals. However, you should use caution with artificial alkaline water, which likely contains fewer good minerals than its high pH would have you believe and may contain contaminants. More research is needed to determine its benefits. Alkaline water must also contain alkaline minerals and negative oxidation reduction potential, ORP. ORP is the ability of water to act as a poor antioxidant. The more negative the ORP value, the more antioxidant. Alkaline drinking water is considered safe. Currently, there is no evidence that demonstrates negative side effects. Although alkaline water has a different pH than regular water, your body will make physiological changes like continuing to produce hydrochloric acid to regulate the stomach's pH levels and achieve homeostasis, which is a state of stability. Here's my take on drinking alkaline water and its benefits health-wise. There are also some tips on making your own alkaline water at home if you cannot afford it. Overall, there are numerous benefits consuming alkaline water that outweighs any risk. Please let us know your take on consuming alkaline water and the benefits you've observed. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification, and like button for more interesting topics on everyday lifestyle and health.